If you don't like feeling tired but still yawn, then this video is for you. Let's uncover the science behind yawning. Yawning. We all do it. But why? Scientists believe yawning helps cool our brains. It's like an internal air conditioner. When you're tired or bored, your brain heats up. Yawning helps bring it back to normal. But there's more. Yawning is super contagious. Ever yawned because you saw someone else do it? That's because of our brain's mirror neurons. They make us mimic others to create social bonds. So next time you yawn, remember you're not just tired, you're cooling your brain and connecting with others. How cool is that? Stay curious, science enthusiasts. Until next time, keep yawning and learning.